Hey everyone, this is Trambo70. Today I got a package from eBay. So here it is. It's a Motorized Talking Crescent Thomas. So here we have Talking Crescent Thomas. This classic Talking Thomas who came with his two coaches. So here they are. Here we have Andy and Credible. And there's a button on top of Talking Crescent Thomas. If you push a button, Thomas can talk.
Hi, friends!
You hear that? Let's hear it again.
Hey, everybody!
Thomas sounds great. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, and the back. Here we have a classic Talking Thomas with Orange Go James, which I'm not a fan of all engines go. And now I'm going to unbox Talking Classic Thomas. I got my tools right here. It's the scissors. And I'm going to unbox it on camera. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, I just unboxed Talking Classic Thomas. So here's Thomas, Annie, and Credible. Now before we get Talking Classic Thomas to test one, there's something you could do with Thomas's coaches, Annie and Credible. As you can see, there's these things right there on Credible and Andy. You can see inside of Annie and Credible. You can see some seeds as people you could sit inside Annie and Credible. You could do the same thing as Credible too. See? How awesome is that? And now let's get Talking Classic Thomas to test one. Well, that is a great test run with Motorized talking Classic Thomas. If you like this video, send a comment, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Well guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and we'll see you next video.